In today's healthcare environment, we have a problem. The microorganisms that cause infection are constantly changing. They find new and innovative ways to stay alive. Surfex is the latest technology platform from Whiteley Medical. We've produced this training video to assist you and your staff in your fight to achieve superior infection prevention.
Surfex is an instrument-grade, low-level disinfectant. The unique formula of buffered peracetic acid and surfactants ensures it will provide disinfection efficacy critical for healthcare environments. Surfex is included on the Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods and approved for use on environmental surfaces and non-critical medical devices. Key benefits of Surfex include an inbuilt detergent system that allows all-in-one cleaning and disinfection of surfaces, superior materials compatibility compared to chlorine, suitability for use on non-critical medical devices, a patented formulation, a user-friendly colour-coded indicator system, and easy preparation. It comes in a powder sachet in 2-pack sizes, 8.5 grams for a 500 ml bottle solution and 85 grams for use in a 5-litre bucket fill solution. Surfex is ideal for both terminal cleans and general cleaning and disinfection in healthcare facilities, such as hallways, corridors, and cleaning rooms. Surfex is highly effective at killing the microbes that cause healthcare-associated infections, or HAI. It is also suitable for disinfection of Class 1 medical devices, such as stethoscopes, blood pressure cuffs, operating theatre tables, anaesthetic carts, hospital beds, and theatre trolleys. Surfex is ideal for use in laboratories and other facilities requiring disinfection, such as blood collection centres, pathology laboratories, research laboratories, veterinary clinics, and medical centres. Surfex has been proven to kill the following bacteria, viruses, and fungi with just 5 minutes contact time at 20 degrees Celsius. Surfex is also suitable for cleaning and disinfecting blood spills. Before using Surfex, make sure you read the safety data sheet and product insert. The personal protective equipment, PPE required, includes eye and face protection. Safety glasses or chemical-resistant goggles should be worn to prevent eye contact. Skin protection. Nitrile gloves are recommended. Depending on the size of the area to be cleaned, either the smaller 8.5 gram sachet can be used to make up 500 ml, or the larger 85 gram sachet for a 5-litre bucket solution. The product insert supplied with every carton has all the information you need to prepare and use Surfex effectively. To prepare a 500 ml bottle of Surfex, pour 500 ml of warm water at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius into the Surfex bottle provided. Make sure you don't fill above the 500 ml mark. Gently shake, then open the 8.5 gram sachet of Surfex. Carefully pour the powder into the bottle. Put the cap back onto the bottle and gently swirl a few times to mix the powder and water. Put the bottle in a safe place and wait a few minutes until the product has activated and is ready to use. It is important to record the time you prepared the solution, as it can be used for a maximum of 8 hours from that time. Surfex has a unique colour-coded indicator system that will show you when the product is ready to use. The solution starts out as a pink colour and is ready to use when blue. The Surfex solution can be used effectively for up to 8 hours and then should be discarded as per instructions. To prepare a 5-litre bucket, pour 5 litres of warm water at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius into the bucket. Gently shake, then open the 85 gram sachet of Surfex. Carefully pour the powder into the bucket and gently stir a few times using a clean mop to mix powder and water. Put the bucket in a safe place and wait a few minutes until the product has activated and is ready to use. It is important to record the time you mixed up the solution, as it can be used for a maximum of 8 hours from that time. Now that the solution is activated, you're ready to proceed. Apply Surfex liberally to the area to be cleaned and disinfected. Using a fresh cloth, ensure Surfex contacts all surfaces to be disinfected and allowed to dry. Remember, Surfex only needs 5 minutes contact time at 20 degrees Celsius to be effective. Using a clean mop, apply Surfex to all surfaces to be cleaned and disinfected and allowed to dry. Unlike other chlorine-based products, Surfex has excellent materials compatibility. Here's an example of what happens to common hospital surfaces when they have been cleaned with a chlorine-based product. As you can see, the surfaces cleaned and disinfected with Surfex are showing no signs of wear. Surfex is non-corrosive, unlike chlorine, which is highly corrosive. Damage to some surfaces, such as stainless steel, may not be visible from a distance. Here's a close look at what happens to stainless steel that has been cleaned over a long period with chlorine-based products. After 8 hours, any remaining solution needs to be discarded as it is no longer active. Make sure you fill in the Surfex log sheet when you discard any remaining product. Disposal to sewer is normally recommended with copious amounts of water. Refer to state or territory land waste management authorities where applicable. Unlike chlorine-based disinfectants, peracetic acid, the active ingredient in Surfex, has been proven to degrade rapidly when disposed of, minimizing its impact on the environment.
Patient safety should be protected by technology that reduces the risks of healthcare-associated infections. We all know stories of friends and family who have been affected by healthcare-associated infections. Surfex kills the microbes of concern and meets the challenges of modern infection prevention.
For further information on Surfex, please visit Whiteley Medical's website